Welcome to Big Money. Today, we're diving into a topic that's reshaping our world, the rise of automation. From self-driving cars to AI-powered customer service, automation is not just the future, it's happening right now. But what does this mean for us? For our jobs, our economy, and our daily lives? Is it a threat or an opportunity? In this video, we'll unravel these questions and more, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of the unstoppable surge of automation in industry. So, if you're ready to explore the future that's already here, stay tuned. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful content. Let's get started. The advent of the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century marked the beginning of significant technological advancements that have shaped the world as we know it today. This period of rapid industrialization, characterized by the transition from hand production methods to machines, set the stage for the continuous evolution of technology in the centuries that followed. Today, we stand at the cusp of another revolution, one that is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace: the rise of automation. Automation, in its simplest form, is the technique of making an apparatus, a process, or a system operate automatically. However, in the context of industry, it represents a much more complex phenomenon. It is not just about mechanizing processes, it's about enhancing efficiency, improving accuracy, and revolutionizing the way industries function. This essay aims to delve into the unstoppable surge of automation in industry, exploring its emergence, its impact, its pros and cons, its economic implications, and the future it holds. The roots of automation can be traced back to the early 20th century, with the introduction of assembly lines in the automotive industry. This was the first instance of tasks that were previously performed manually being automated, leading to a significant increase in production efficiency. However, the automation that we witness today is a far cry from these early mechanized processes. Today's automation is intelligent, adaptable, and capable of learning. The real surge in automation began with the advent of computers and digital technology. The late 20th century saw the introduction of computer-aided manufacturing and computer-aided design, which allowed for more precise and efficient production processes. However, the true game changer was the development of artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and machine learning have taken automation to a whole new level. These technologies enable machines to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks that would require human-like intelligence. Today, industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare are heavily reliant on these advanced automated systems for efficiency, precision, and cost-effectiveness. The emergence of automation is closely linked with the broader trend of digital transformation. As industries across the globe strive to digitize their operations and leverage data for decision-making, automation has emerged as a key enabler. It allows industries to streamline their processes, reduce manual intervention, and make their operations more efficient and reliable. The impact of automation on industry is profound and far-reaching. It has not only transformed the way industries operate, but also redefined the very nature of work. From manufacturing to services, from healthcare to agriculture, no sector has remained untouched by the wave of automation. In manufacturing, automated assembly lines have revolutionized the production process. Robots, guided by precise computer programs, can assemble products faster and with more accuracy than human workers. This has led to a significant increase in production rates and a reduction in errors. Moreover, automation has enabled manufacturers to achieve greater consistency in product quality, as machines can maintain the same level of precision round the clock. In the service sector, AI-driven systems are transforming customer service. Chatbots and automated response systems can handle customer queries 24/7, providing instant responses and freeing up human agents to handle more complex issues. This not only improves customer satisfaction but also reduces operational costs. Even in sectors like agriculture, traditionally associated with manual labor, automation is making inroads. Automated machinery and drones are being used for tasks such as sowing, harvesting, and crop monitoring. This not only increases efficiency but also helps in making farming more sustainable by optimizing the use of resources. Like any significant technological advancement, automation comes with its set of advantages and disadvantages. On the positive side, automation increases efficiency, reduces errors, and can perform tasks that are dangerous or monotonous for humans. It can also lead to cost savings in the long run by reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. Automation allows for round-the-clock operations without any loss in productivity or efficiency. Machines do not need breaks, vacations, or sick days. They can work continuously without any drop in performance. This can significantly increase the output of an industry. Moreover, automation can perform tasks with a level of precision and consistency that is hard to achieve for humans. This can lead to a significant improvement in product quality and customer satisfaction. However, the rise of automation also brings several challenges. The most significant concern is job displacement. While automation can create new jobs, it also makes certain roles redundant, leading to job losses. This can lead to social and economic disruption, especially in regions heavily dependent on industries that are highly susceptible to automation. There is also the risk of increased inequality if the benefits of automation are not distributed evenly across society. Those with the skills to work with automated systems may see their incomes rise, while those with skills that are made redundant may face unemployment or wage cuts. Furthermore, the reliance on automated systems can lead to vulnerabilities, such as cybersecurity threats. As industries become more dependent on digital systems, they also become more susceptible to cyber attacks. This necessitates robust cybersecurity measures to protect against such threats. The economic implications of automation are complex and multifaceted. On one hand, automation can lead to significant cost savings for industries. By reducing the reliance on human labor, automation can cut down on labor costs. Moreover, by increasing efficiency and reducing errors, automation can also lead to savings in operational costs. However, the economic benefits of automation are not just limited to cost savings. Automation can also lead to new business opportunities. By automating routine tasks, businesses can free up resources to focus on innovation and the development of new products and services. This can lead to the creation of new markets and revenue streams. On the other hand, automation also raises concerns about job displacement. The fear that machines will replace human workers is not unfounded. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, automation could displace 75 million jobs by 2025. However, it is also projected to create 133 million new roles, leading to a net increase in jobs. The challenge lies in managing this transition and ensuring that workers are equipped with the skills needed for the jobs of the future. This calls for significant investment in education and training to help workers adapt to the changing job market. Governments and businesses will need to work together to address this challenge and ensure that the benefits of automation are shared broadly across society. The future of automation is intertwined with advancements in AI and machine learning. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated automated systems. The rise of Industry 4.0, characterized by smart factories where machines are connected by the Internet of Things, is a testament to this trend. In these smart factories, machines can communicate with each other and with human operators, leading to a highly integrated and efficient production process. Moreover, with the help of AI and machine learning, these machines can learn from their experiences, adapt to new situations, and optimize their operations. However, the future of automation is not just about more advanced and intelligent machines. It is also about developing a balanced approach that leverages the benefits of automation while mitigating its potential drawbacks. This includes addressing the social and economic challenges posed by automation, such as job displacement and inequality. Moreover, as industries become more reliant on automated systems, they will also need to address the associated risks, such as cybersecurity threats. This will require robust cybersecurity measures and a strong regulatory framework to protect against such threats. The rise of the machines is indeed unstoppable, driven by the relentless pursuit of efficiency and innovation. As we stand on the brink of a new era in industrialization, it is crucial to navigate the challenges and opportunities that come with it. Automation, if harnessed correctly, holds the promise of a more efficient, productive, and innovative industrial landscape. However, this does not mean that the path to automation will be smooth or straightforward. There are significant challenges to overcome, from managing the transition of the workforce to new types of jobs, to ensuring the security of increasingly digital and automated systems. These challenges require a collaborative approach, with governments, businesses, and educational institutions working together to create a future where the benefits of automation are shared by all. Moreover, as we move towards a more automated future, it is crucial to remember the importance of the human element. Machines can perform tasks, but they cannot replicate the creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence of humans. Therefore, while we embrace the rise of the machines, we must also focus on nurturing these uniquely human skills. In conclusion, the unstoppable surge of automation in industry is not something to be feared, but rather something to be managed and directed. With the right policies and strategies, we can ensure that automation serves as a tool for progress, driving economic growth, improving living standards, and opening up new opportunities for human creativity and innovation. As we've explored today, the rise of automation is an unstoppable force, transforming industries and redefining the nature of work. It brings with it a host of benefits, from increased efficiency to cost savings, but also presents significant challenges, such as job displacement and cybersecurity threats. The future of automation is intertwined with advancements in AI and machine learning, promising even more sophisticated automated systems. However, this future also calls for a balanced approach that leverages the benefits of automation while mitigating its potential drawbacks. As we navigate this new era of industrialization, it's crucial that we manage these challenges and opportunities effectively. This will require collaboration between governments, businesses, and educational institutions, as well as a focus on nurturing the uniquely human skills that machines cannot replicate. If you found this exploration of automation in industry insightful and want to stay updated on the latest trends and discussions in the world of business and finance, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you in-depth analysis and thought-provoking content. So hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening content in the future.